How to politely say, "Don't speak to me like that." This is how to convince with a lawyer means. Number 1. Please be mindful of your tone. Translation: I'm not upset. I'm setting a boundary before it escalates. Number 2. I hear you, but let's keep it respectful. Translation: I'm open to the conversation, but not at the cost of my dignity. Number 3. Please don't speak to me like that. Translation: the word please softens the edge, but the message is still clear. It's respectful, composed, and firm without sounding confrontational. What am I doing? I am stir-frying vegetables. What am I doing? I'm marinating the meat. What am I doing? I'm blanching tomatoes. What am I doing? I'm boiling eggs. What am I doing? I'm frying fries. What does this mean? You too. What does this mean? Tomorrow. What does this mean? Before. What does this mean? Busy. And what does this mean? See you. What does this mean? Later. What does this mean? Share your answer in the comments. I'm fine. I'm well. Sorry. My bad. Good. Amazing. I don't care. See if I care. American slang. I don't care. I don't give a damn. Yes or of course. Facts. I'm about to go home. I'm gonna head to the crib. What do you want to eat? What are you in a mood for? I want to sleep. I want to crash. Eye, ear, nose, cheek, mouth, teeth, tongue, chin, shoulder, arm, hand, finger. For something. I'm so grateful for my friends. They've really helped me through tough times. Number 4. Groggy. Feeling weak, dizzy, or not fully awake, especially after sleeping, being sick, or taking medicine. Sorry, I'm a bit groggy. I just woke up. Want to learn more useful and commonly used words on a specific topic, or practice words from your own vocabulary? Use Lala Speak app. With daily exercises in listening, speaking, and writing, you'll boost and reinforce your knowledge, expand your vocabulary, and improve your pronunciation. Lala Speak app. Try it right now!